Vaibhav and Ayush on your camera. Ayush, on your camera. Did you found out the answer or not? Tell me yes or no, so that I can tell you the answer.
Ma'am, which question?
Yesterday's assignment, I have given you the assignment now that to find out the long answer question of chapter 3 of civics. You have found out or not the answers?
Oh, ma'am.
Not found. Who have found out? Raise your hand who have found out the answers. No need to find now, Shubhransh. No need to find now. You have found out the answer. You have done your assignment. Any of you have done your assignment or not? The first question is, explain the process of electing member of legislative assembly and how it leads to the government being formed by the ruling party. Okay, so the answer is in the page number 233. Member of the legislative assembly. The whole para. The two paras are given and the whole para is the answer. You have
And which para?
whole two paras of member of legislative assembly. Member of legislative assembly.
And which number?
Page number 233. 233. You have to read the paras and you have to shorten the answer by yourself. That is the answer. You should short the answer and write it by yourself. What are the main points which tell us about the answer? You will just read it, short it, and write it in your copy. Clear to everyone?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, I'm find question number 7.
page number 23, long answer question, first answer. Page number 233. Member of Legislative Assembly. That two paras are the answers, and you have to write the answers in your copy. After shortening it, or you have to write the whole answer, you can write the whole answer also. Second is, what is the role of state legislature? Role of state legislature. So you have written functions of the state legislature in the short answer questions. Question number 5th. शॉर्ट आंसर का जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th है वही आंसर होगा सेकंड का भी. लॉन्ग आंसर का सेकंड आंसर सेम है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th शॉर्ट आंसर और इसका दोनों का वो सेम है, तो वही सेम आपको लिखना है. क्लियर?
Okay.
Yes, the last question is, explain the silent features of two type of legislature and advantage of the each. Now, two type of legislature are unicameral and bicameral. Okay. Now the answer is in page number 232. Page number 232. Page number 232. Forming of state legislature. वो पैरा जो है वही है आंसर पूरा. उसको रीड करना और शॉर्टन करना और खुद से लिखना फिर. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am. I have third answer. Functions of the state legislature.
Function of the state legislature is the answer of long answer second question. Same answer is same. You can write that also, that only in this question. Okay. And for this,
long answer का third क्या है? long answer का third क्या है?
Third answer is in page number 232. Forming of state legislature. That para is third answer. You have to read it and write it by yourself. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, got all the three answers. Now complete your copy. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Ayush Roy, on your camera. Why you are not on switching on your camera? Okay, on the next week on Thursday there will be revision test of history chapter 1. Clear? Chapter 1 का test होगा. So be prepared and come to the class, everyone. Now come to chapter 3 of history. Chapter 3 of history. Yes. Start reading.
The Islamic invasions of 12th and 13th centuries made way for the rule of Afghans and Turks in the northern part of India, with Delhi as the capital. Till that time, Delhi was not considered a very important city. The Rajputs were the first to establish their capital in Delhi, and it gained prominence as a commercial capital after defeating Prithviraj Chauhan. Muhammad Ghori advanced towards Delhi. With this began Muslim rule in India and the precedence of making Delhi their capital. The Delhi
मैम कौन
Sultanate
सा चैप्टर पढ़ा रही हैं?
comprised
Of history, the Delhi Sultanate.
of many
मैम कहाँ से?
Chapter 3 of history.
of many
Page number.
फर्स्ट पैरा पे
Yes.
फर्स्ट पैरा पे है कभी
First paragraph is good. Yes, continue.
of ma- of many Muslim dynasties there ruled Delhi from time to time. The Delhi Sultanate Delhi existed from 1206 AD to 1526 AD, with Mamluk dynasty laying the foundation and Lodi dynasty ending it by handing it to the Mughals. Some of these dynasties have already been introduced in the previous chapter. In this chapter, we will study about 5 dynasties in greater detail and see how they influenced social conditions in the country.
So the new chapter, chapter 3, the Delhi Sultanate. Okay, we'll learn about which dynasties have been formed under the Delhi Sultanate. Okay, so the Islamic invention of 12th and 13th century made way for the rules of Afghans and Turks in the northern part of India. So in the northern part of India, there was the Islamic invention during 12th and 13th century. जिसकी वजह से क्या हुआ, अफगान्स एंड तुर्क ने एक वे बना लिया अपना रूल करने का नॉर्दर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया with Delhi as the capital. And what was the capital at that time? Delhi was the capital. Till that time, Delhi was not considered a very important city. The Rajputs were the first to establish their capital in Delhi, and it gained prominence as a commercial capital. ठीक है, कौन वो किया था? राजपूत ने उसे establish किया था, तब जाके उसे एक prominence मिला था. उससे पहले दिल्ली उतनी बड़ी city नहीं थी. After defeating Prithviraj Chauhan, Muhammad Ghori advanced towards Delhi. With this began Muslim rule in India and precedence of making Delhi their capital. Okay, after defeating Prithviraj and Muhammad Ghori, Muslim invasion became more powerful in Delhi. The Delhi Sultanate comprised of many Muslim dynasties that ruled Delhi from time to time. Most of them were Muslim dynasties. Delhi Sultanate were comprised of most of the Muslim dynasties, and it ruled Delhi time to time. Dynasties change होती गई, change होते गया. With the Sultanate Delhi existed from 1206 AD to 1526 AD, with Mamluk dynasty laying the foundation and Lodi dynasty ending it by handing to the Mughal. Some of these dynasties have been introduced in previous chapter में भी हम लोगों ने बहुत सारी dynasties देखी थी. अब इधर extra dynasties हम लोग देखेंगे. Okay? Yes. Om, start reading.
The Mamluk dynasty 12,006 to 12,019, 1290. Qutb ul Din Aibak was the first ruler of the Mamluk dynasty. After this conquest, Muhammad Ghori left behind Aibak as the administrator of conquered areas in India. On his death, Aibak declared himself king and thus started the Mamluk dynasty, more commonly known as the slave dynasty. Aibak ruled from 1206 to 10 AD from Delhi. He was an able and generous ruler. He consolidated his position by conquering some areas around Delhi. He is more known for the construction of Qutub Minar started by him. After his death, his son ascended the throne but was defeated by the Iltutmish the following year. Iltutmish ruled from 1211 to 36 AD. He strengthened the position by establishing diplomatic relations with the Caliphate and restricting invasions of Genghis Khan. He conquered many regions in the north and India like Ajmer, Jalore, Gwalior, Kannauj and Banaras. He strengthened the army and administration. It was during his rule the Qutub Minar was completed. He nominated Razia Sultan, his daughter, as his successor.
Stop. Okay. So now the first dynasty we are going to learn about is Mamluk dynasty. Qutbuddin Aibak was the first ruler of Mamluk dynasty. Okay. Who was the ruler? Qutbuddin Aibak. Underline this line, everyone. Underline this line. After this conquest,
Which line, ma'am?
the first line, Qutbuddin Aibak was the first ruler of Mamluk dynasty. This line underline, everyone. Muhammad Ghori left behind. Aibak was the administrator of conquered area in India. On his death, Aibak declared himself king and thus started the Mamluk dynasty. Okay, after the conquest हुआ और Muhammad Ghori left behind. ठीक है, तो Aibak became the administrator and conquered India. On his death, Aibak declared himself as well. जैसे मोहम्मद गौरी की डेथ हो गई, Aibak खुद ही से अपने आप को डिक्लेयर कर दिया that he is the ruler of the Mamluk dynasty, and more commonly known as slave dynasty. We also call it as the slave dynasty. He was an able and generous. मतलब काइंड था, बात करने का तरीका बहुत अच्छा।
मैम आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही। मैम आपकी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रही। मैम योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर।
वॉल्यूम अप करो जिसको क्लियर नहीं आ रही, मेक श्योर दैट योर वॉल्यूम इज ओके एंड जस्ट ऑन योर कैमरा एवरीवन। रुद्र एंड वैभव,
मेरी क्लास है।
रुद्र ऑन योर कैमरा। He consolidated his position by conquering some areas around Delhi. He is more known for the construction of Qutub Minar started by him. Okay? He started the construction of Qutub Minar. After his death, his son ascended the throne but was defeated by Iltutmish the following year. Iltutmish ruled from 1236 AD. He strengthened the position by establishing diplomatic relations with the Caliphate and restricting invasions of Genghis Khan. He conquered many regions in northern India. So he conquered many regions. Iltutmish conquered many regions like Ajmer, Jalore, Gwalior, Kannauj, Banaras. He strengthened the army and administration. It was during his rule that Qutub Minar was completed. मतलब उसी के रूल में Qutub Minar complete हो गया था. He nominated Razia Sultan, his daughter, as a successor. ठीक है, as a successor means आगे चल के अगर कुछ उसको हो जाता है, कौन रूल करेगा? She was
Ma'am, can I read?
Razia Sultan. Okay. Yes, Purva, start reading.
Ma'am, Subhan start.
Why are you switching off your camera then? Those who will switch off the camera, they will not get the chance to read. Yes, Purva, start reading. पूर्वा आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी, आवाज नहीं आ रही. नो नॉट कमिंग, नहीं आ रही.
मैम मैं करूँ रीड?
वेट लेट हर रीड.
ना उसको बोल दीजिए वो ईयरफोन हटा दे, शायद आए फिर.
पूर्वा रिमूव योर ईयरफोन, रिमूव योर ईयरफोन, अनम्यूट योर माइक देन अगेन. नो पूर्वा आवाज नहीं आ रही, पूर्वा आवाज नहीं आ रही.
मैम उसने पिन हटाई है ऊपर की जो लगी रहती है फोन पे.
यू हैव रिमूव्ड द पिन.
Yes. Razia Sultan was the only woman ruler to have ruled from Delhi. She was trained to lead armies and did so on many occasions. She was an naval administrator and a Shivad politician who managed to prevent her nobles from revolting. Through was a capable ruler, but because she was a woman, she faced many difficulties and was finally killed in 1245 AD. Her brother Nasir Uddin Muhammad became the next Sultan. He was not a capable and Sultanate was ruled by this Prime Minister Ugam Khan Balban. After his death, Balban ruled from 1266 to 86 and was the last capable ruler of Mamluk dynasty. He concentrated more on the administration system military. Through the army was well trained in the use of production of various weapons. It was come to of the strongest army of the time, which is the evident from the fact that they successfully kept away the Mughals. The slave dynasty come to an end another of his death.
Okay, done. So Razia Sultan was the only woman ruler to have ruled from Delhi. She was only the woman to rule from the Delhi. Underline this line, everyone. She was trained to lead armies and did so many occasions. So she got training how to lead the armies, how to take them for the war, and how to organize any of the occasion which was going to be held in the dynasty. Any occasions, she was trained for that. She was an able administration and a shrewd politician who managed to prevent her nobles from revolting. Okay, revolting. Through he was a capable ruler, but because she was a woman, she faced many difficulties and was finally killed. So she was a woman, and most probably during that time, there was that women's rule नहीं कर सकती हैं, women's के पास उतना power नहीं होता. So they used to just demoralize women, उन्हें दबा देना चाहते थे, and that's why she got killed. है ना, killed हो गई, खत्म हो गई. In 245 AD, her brother Nasir Uddin Muhammad became the next Sultan. Then Razia Sultan का जो brother था, वो फिर Sultan बना. He was not capable, and the Sultanate was ruled by the Prime Minister Ulugh Khan Balban. As he was not that much capable, so it was ruled by the Prime Minister Ulugh Khan Balban. After his death, Balban ruled from 1266 to 86 and was the last capable ruler of Mulmuk dynasty. He concentrated more on the administration system than military. Administration system अच्छा होना चाहिए than military. Through the army, he was well trained in the use and production of various weapons. He used to produce various weapons inside that. and it was one of the strongest armies of the time, which was evident from the fact that they successfully kept away the Mongols, and the slave dynasty came to the end after his death. After the prime minister was dead, and the slave dynasty came to an end. Yes, Yashita, start reading.
मैम आई डोंट नो आप क्या पढ़ा रही है बिकॉज आई जॉइन क्लास एट
Chapter 3 of history, Delhi Sultanate, page number 23.
मैम पेज नंबर
23. The Khilji dynasty, you have to read.
Last para.
सर अब Khazi Malika was the founder of
No, the Khilji
Mughal dynasty.
Khilji dynasty, you have to read. Page number 23. Khilji dynasty.
Khilji dynasty and assumed the title of.
No, after a period of unrest and confusion.
Okay, after a period of unrest and confusion, Zali Khaliji was put on the throne by nobles of the Sultanate in 1219, marking the beginning of Khaliji dynasty. He ruled for a few years before his Nalpan Aludi Khaliji had him assassinated and declared himself the next Sultan of Delhi in 1296. He was the most successful ruler of Khalji dynasty. He was the only one who conducted not just religion in northern India but also invaded the south. He had conducted Ranthambore, Chittorgarh, Mandu, and excelled Devagili. He also
Okay, stop. Okay, stop. Yes, Harsh, start reading.
He also tried to attack the Mongols. Malik Kafur, a lieutenant of Alauddin Khalji, captured Wrangle and Madri in the south. He also overthrew the Hoysala rulers in South India. With Kafur's victories and spoils of war, descendants set in, which ultimately lead to the downfall of the dynasty. After the death of Sultan, there were attempts by many to gain the throne, but his only lead to more confusion till the establishment of Mughal dynasty.
So, the Khilji dynasty from 1290 to 1320. After a period of unrest and confusion, Jalaluddin Khilji was put in the throne by nobles of the Sultanate. Who came into the power? Jalaluddin Khilji in 1290, marking the beginning of Khilji dynasty, and the Khilji dynasty started to begin. He ruled for a few years before his nephew Alauddin Khilji had him assassinated and declared himself the next Sultan of the Delhi in 1296. He was the most successful ruler of Khilji dynasty. So he was the most successful ruler of the Khilji dynasty, who Alauddin Khilji. He was the only one who conquered not just regions in northern India but also invaded south. Now he invaded south. Means south में क्या है? We used to know. He had conquered Ranthambore, Chittor, Mandu, and Anis Devagiri. पहले लोगों को नहीं पता था ये जगह, but he came into the power and he just modified, मतलब ढूंढा कि कहाँ है साउथ में, इन चीजों को इन्वेंट किया. ये जगहों को जो चित्तौड़, रांथाम्बोर है, लोगों को नहीं पता था कि ये होते भी है, but he established that. He also thwarted two attempts by the Mongols, Malik Kafur and a lieutenant of Aladdin Khilji, captured Rangal and Madurai in the south. He also overthrew the Hosala rulers in southern India. With Kafur's victory, the spoil of decadence set in, which ultimately led to the downfall of the dynasty. After the death of Sultan, there were attempts by many to gain the throne, but this only led to the confusion till the establishment of Tughlaq dynasty. So after his death, there was many confusion that who will become the real sultanate. But this confusion was going on and on जब तक तुगलक dynasty का establishment नहीं हुआ था. So from next period tomorrow is not the class here. Tomorrow is PTM now. AI class. Tomorrow is PTM, so we'll continue.